This is just a quick video on how to set up my RadioMaster Pocket to my satisfaction. As I said before, the previous video, I was having a real problem with having the arming switch here and the rate switch there. So I went to change from angle mode to acro mode, and I hit this instead and disarmed it. So I thought, that's crazy having the two close together. So this is what I did. So first of all, I turn it on.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning. Disarmed.
Throttle
Angle
down.
mode 0 milliwatts 0 volts.
So what I've done, I've now got the arming switch on switch B, I think it is.
Disarmed.
This one here. So that's disarmed, armed, disarmed. So I've used a 3-position rocker switch,
Disarmed.
and only in the center position is it armed. So over here I now have the modes. Angle,
Flight mode horizon. Angle mode.
that's angle mode,
Flight mode horizon. 1 minute. Flight mode acro.
and then acro.
Angle mode.
I've also got this set up to do a count up. I originally had a count down as per Captain Drain, which was kind of useless to me. I wanted to count up because it's a combination of how much battery I've got left and how long I've been flying that determines when I land. So what this has done, these two switches, they're very, you can be sure you got your finger on them because they're curved, they're both 3-positioned, so there's no mistaking which switch you got
Disarmed. Armed.
when it comes to control.
Disarmed. Flight mode horizon. Flight mode acro. Angle mode.
Right, so what I've done with the other switches that a lot of people were using for arming, which I thought was kind of crazy, this 2-position switch here,
1 minute and 35
it just tells me how long I've been armed for, how long I've been up for. And the one over here,
0 milliwatts.
when I'm connected
0
to a drone,
volts.
it tells me the current battery voltage on the drone, and it also tells me how strong the ELRS signal is. I mean, normally with this one, which has got inbuilt ELRS, it'll come up with 10 milliwatts. If I've got the module on the back with my other pocket, it'll come up and say 25 milliwatts. So if I'm in flight,
0
I can hit this and get an
0
idea of
volts.
what it is. It announces what the current power drain on it is anyway. And the only other thing that I won't show here is I crashed into the sea because I couldn't hear the warnings from it with a low battery a little while ago. So I now plug a headphone in there, headphone in, and I've tested this over the sea. I can hear it loud and clear. So that's where I've got to with my ELRS RadioMaster Pocket adventure so far. So I'm very happy with this transmitter, particularly so because my previous favourite transmitter, which was the old Jumper T8 SG Plus, the last in the series, which had voice, has just broken down. That runs deviation rather than OpenTX, so it's kind of obsolete anyway, but I had a good run with it, and I'm sad to see it go, but gone it is. So here we go with the combination of OpenTX, ELRS, and of course Betaflight. I'm very happy with how I'm going, and I'm very happy flying acro. So this is just a quick video, so bye for now. Hopefully I'll be flying again soon. See ya.